As millions of Americans continue to get vaccinated against COVID-19, reports of side effects are increasing.
And while most are expected and also short-lived, CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez tells us that there is one reaction that you should pay extra attention to.
You've finally gotten a COVID vaccine. It will likely protect you from a potentially deadly disease, but as with any drug or medical procedure, the benefit often comes with side effects.
Tired, woke up in the middle of the night with chills.
That's very common, especially after the second dose of either the Moderna or Pfizer vaccine. But sometimes there's a different reaction that could be worrisome.
The following day, I did start to feel some stiffness on the left side of my neck. By the evening, there was noticeable swelling in the area. And when I put a finger to it, you could feel a small lump.
A visit to the ER determined that John, who's married to a CBS colleague, had a swollen lymph node, a common reaction after any vaccine, not just COVID.
Basically, your immune system is reacting to the vaccine, and that's a good sign that your body is processing it. Your immune system is getting ready to fight whatever you've been vaccinated against.
Swollen lymph nodes have been reported in women getting mammograms after a vaccine. Concerning because that could be mistaken for cancer, so experts advise waiting at least a month after any vaccine to get a mammogram. There are reports that this reaction, which can happen to men as well, is much more common after the second shot of the Moderna vaccine. But experts caution that those numbers may not be exact since they haven't been fully studied. John still has a swollen node, but
Absolutely, I'd get the vaccine again. The peace of mind that comes with knowing that you have that added protection, is really helpful.
The swollen nodes are completely normal, but may last a little longer than the fever and malaise after a vaccine. But if the nodes are still there after a week or more, get it checked out by a doctor. Dr. Max Gomez, CBS 2 News.